Hello everyone, I'll show you Caroline again. She's got crazy dog. She liking to hang out. This is the new star of TikTok, YouTube, the all social media, my friend. Yeah, she hopping like a grasshopper. Yeah, look at that. She's so happy dog. She liking to hang out with me. Yeah, that vlog gonna be very long, not the previous, like 2 3 minutes. That vlog gonna go. That's gonna be very long. Yeah. Let's go. Don't sniff that shit. Come on now. Come on now, yo. Walk. No. Here. Come. Walk. Small dog. Walk here. Come. Come. Man. She liking to hang out. This dog, she love it. Female dog. She love it to hang out, my friend. Yeah. Come. Yeah. Caroline, come. 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 Yeah. Hi. Walk. Come. Let's go. No. Come. Yeah. Caroline, come. Walk. Let's go. Yeah. Come. Walk, no worry. Let's go. Let's go. No worry. Don't worry. Be happy. There's a song like that one. Come, Caroline. Let's go to the downtown. Let's see you, the whole town. I want to be famous. That dog gonna be famous, my friend. She's very famous now. It's very famous with that tail, small feet, and small ears, and small nose. Yeah. Walk. Yeah. Are you got tired? Are you tired? Caroline, are you tired? Are you tired? Let's go. Walk. Let's go to the downtown. We have to walk 30 minutes. This way. Come. Come. This way. Let's go. No worry. No worry. You with me. No worry. Don't, don't afraid. Come. She got afraid. It was a big dog. Barks. Ah, come. Let's go. Walk. No worry. What? Are you got tired? Are you tired? Tell him. Hi. Ah, come. 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 Let's go. What you looking for? Ah, tell him. How are you? 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 This is Caroline, my friend. Look at that, Caroline. Caroline, say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Hello, how are you? How are you? It's alright? Okay, let's go. You wanna walk, my friend? Let's walk that small doggo. This way. Oh, this way. She's very clever dog. She's sniffing. Dog shit. Okay, come. Come. You found something. I don't know what. Caroline, what did you find? What did you find? Caroline, come. Come here. Come here, small dog. She found noodles. Bought the noodles. Someone ate noodles and throw over here. Are you alright? Are you alright? Are you okay? Are you tired? Are you tired? Are you okay? Okay, let's go. Come. You ate. You have a dog food. She like to walk, my friend. Hang out. Very funny dog. Yeah, look at that. Maybe you're gonna eat grass. Are you vegetarian? Did you became she looking for another dog shit and pee? Oh, she liking to go on the grass. Yeah, found something. Did you found? Did you found what you're looking for? Did you found it? Did you find it? Did you find dog shit? Any bugs? Any animal? She doing something. Are you tired? She wanna go home, my friend. Look at that tail, small feet. It's very fluffy and small. She wants to run, but I don't want to run. That small dog. She don't wanna walk, my friend. She wanna go home. Okay, let's go home. You wanna go home? Come. Hello, my friend. What's up? What's going on? You watching Meal Money? If you don't know, so I'm going out. I'm gonna hang out. Come with me to hang out today. Yeah, gonna be good, gonna. I feel it. It's gonna be good, gonna. I feel it. You're watching Meal Money, my friends. I need to do content. Today is, I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna do content because you're watching Meal Money. The new influencer, the new TikToker, my friend. Please subscribe, share, drop a comment down below. Alright. Let's see what content we're gonna do. What I'm gonna do today. Feeling very tired. I was working today. I'm feeling very tired. Really. My hands hurt me, my friends. But it's alright, you know. So it's gonna be good, gonna. I feel it. Alright, let's hang out. Come with me. Day, your day, your broke. Alright. So, hello, my friends. So I'm gonna check how it's going. My plant. I plant so many plants. I plant potatoes. What else? Tomatoes, beans, squashes. Okay, come with me. Let's check it out. How it's going? The potatoes, the vegetables. Which one I planted though? I have to watch out for snakes as well. Yeah, I have to be very careful for snakes. Uh, let's see how it's going. My plants, it's good, going good though. Everything is good. Okay, let's see. Potatoes, good. Squashes is good, my friend. Okay, everything is going good. My garden is good. Okay, let's check it out. Everything going good. Everything going. I plan. So yeah. Alright, so I'm going out of here. See the beans is going up. I think that should be the beans. So yeah, the beans is okay. Potatoes I planted. This area not, but over there they grow up. Yesterday I was planting that area with the beans and potatoes as well, and onion. So yeah, interesting. Let's see how it's going here. See the baby leaf of potatoes. Yeah, they grow up. So yeah, gonna be good. Alright, let's go out of here. Let's go to the downtown, my friends. Let's hang out. Let's make more content today. Ah, come with me. Basically, I wanna get mixed nuts because I like mixed nuts. Let's go to the shop to buy mixed nuts, my friend. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go, my friends, to the downtown. Okay, I check everything is good. Everything is here. So tomorrow I'm gonna spring it with water. So alright, let's go to the downtown. Let's hang out. Let's make content. Gonna be good though. Good day. It's gonna be good day. I'm feeling. Please subscribe, share, drop a comment down below. I need your subscribers, my friends. Help me, help me because I'm unemployed. Please. Okay, it's good. It's clear. Let's go to the downtown. All right. Gonna be good now. Feeling. It's gonna be good now. Feeling. All right, my friends. Let's go to the shop. Let's buy something. I mean, I want to buy a mix nuts. So probably I'm gonna buy mix nuts. I need to lose weight. I got very fat though. Yeah. So basically, going to the shop, my friends. Come with me. I'm out of the shop, my friends. I got mixed nuts for 1.45. Let's go to the car. So let's see what's gonna happen today. More. Very hot though. Okay, I have to put the camera on. Okay, let's go, my friends. Let's go. But it's very sunny. Gasna, gasna, gasna. Mhm. Okay, okay, my friends, let's go. I wish to go to the Lidl. I want to buy something to eat and drink. So yeah, it's sunny. It's good weather. It's very good. Just tomorrow, but just my friends, hang out. Just say you want let go. Just say you want let go. Okay, let's go home. I need to do street workout. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen, my friends. Here we go. My body just my body just play to the music. Don't feel it. Just say you won't let go. Say you won't let go. Oh my god. Oh my god. So many hosts. Oh my god. So many bumpy roads. Okay, let's go home. I need to do stream, lives. What else? Work out, hang out. I'm very busy today. Busy. See you wanna go. Alright, let's go, my friends. I need to go home. Going home, home, home. Please subscribe, sir.